Sit down, sit down. Ah, good. Yeah. Make some tea.
Sure, right away, sir.
Your trip out here. A long flight.
Sure.
Looks around. Even the sights. You like Rome?
Ever since I got off the plane. It's been terrible.
Well, you'll get to like it, I think. It's ages since I was there. How are things in Hong Kong?
Hong Kong? I'm from the country, not the town.
Me? In the country? Gee.
Here, houseboat line.
Come on, pick it up.
Here you are. All these tables, where are the customers?
Carlos.
Yeah?
This house is turned around. Nobody dares come in here to eat anymore.
Carlos, some more workers are out back. We've got some training. Let's go watch them, huh?
Great fun. I'll see you. Hey!
There's no rush. The whole time, they just practice.
I'll bring it up now. Right.
Before Mr. Chen is on, they all started learning karate, but they could deal with those black thumbs.
How about you?
It's foreign. Doesn't interest me.
Foreign or not? If it helps you to look after yourself when you're in a fight, then you should learn to use it. It doesn't matter at all where it comes from. You should realize that.
My game is Chinese boxing. Hey, you know Chinese boxing?
Sure.
Hey, really?
Take a break. Hey.
Hey, you guys, come over here. This is Caillou. Hey, introduce yourself.
I'm George. Jimmy.
Thomas.
Robert. I know English. They just told me how to.
Hello there.
Come over here. Hey. Can you box?
Oh, Lou, I come from Hong Kong to help him. You know, he's a great Chinese boxer. I just learned a little.
Oh, Chinese boxing. I have heard that Chinese boxing lacks any real power.
Well, you only lack power when you're a beginner.
Well then, how do you develop any power?
By putting your whole body behind it, like this. Put your hip into it.
Come on. Over your shot. How do you get your hip into it?
You'll get hurt.